Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the necessary tools. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a soft lint-free cloth. These tools will help ensure that your Lenovo charging port is clean and functioning correctly. Begin by powering off your Lenovo device. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid potential damage. Once it's off, locate the charging port, which is typically on the side or back of your device. Take a moment to inspect the port visually. Look for any debris or visible damage. If you notice any dirt or dust, this could be the cause of your charging issues. Next, using the can of compressed air, carefully blow into the charging port. This will dislodge any particles that may be obstructing the connection. Be sure to hold the can upright to avoid any moisture entering the port. If the port still appears dirty, use the soft lint-free cloth to gently wipe around the edges of the port. Avoid inserting anything into the port, as this could cause damage. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can take a look and provide you with a detailed assessment. Once you've cleaned the port, it's time to check the connection with your charger. Plug in your charger and observe if there's any indication that the device is charging. If you notice that the charging light does not turn on, this could indicate a more significant issue with the port or the charger itself. At this point, it's essential to check if the charger is functioning correctly. If you have another compatible charger, try using it to see if the problem persists. If your device charges with a different charger, the issue may be with your initial charger. However, if the problem continues, it may be time to consider further assistance. If you don't have the tools or experience to troubleshoot further, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service is designed to make the repair process hassle-free, no calls, no travel required. Our technicians will come to you, diagnose the issue, and take your device for repair if necessary. If you've determined that the charging port needs repair, we will provide you with a quote before any repair work begins. This ensures that you are fully informed and can make the best decision for your device. After you've checked everything, and if your device still isn't charging, it may be time to open up the device to inspect internal connections. This step requires more advanced tools, and if you're not comfortable with it, please consider reaching out to us. Our team has the expertise to handle these repairs safely and efficiently. In summary, checking your Lenovo charging port involves a few simple steps: gathering the right tools, cleaning the port, testing with a charger, and seeking professional help if needed. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your device remains functional and ready for use. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.